Hey, here's Rummings family. These are some tips, tricks, and methods to use with your anole. So first one is if he's not wanting to come up on your hand, use the other hand and touch him in the back and he will go up on your other hand. Trick number 2 is that tell when he's jumping. So you can see he was tensing up there. That is a sign of him jumping. So if he wants to jump, he'll tense up his leg muscles and kind of go like this, and then he'll jump. Let's take him to a place that he tends to jump from. Put him over here, and he'll tend to jump in that tree. See how his legs tensed up and kind of, I'll show a slow-mo of that. Trick number 3 is to use very predictable movements. So if he's not seeing me, because I'm directly behind him, he can't see me really well. And if I just quickly grab him, he's not going to expect that, and he's going to be like, whoa, predator, and take off. That's just their natural instinct. So what you're going to want to do, come this way. What you're going to want to do is you're going to be like, here are my 2 hands. There's going to be none jumping out from underneath you. And you're just going to stick one in front of him, touch him in the back, and use that trick I showed you, which was trick number 1. And now he's just going to sit on your hand, and he's going to take it. And you will want to spend time with him about daily so they know that you're a good guy, not a bad guy. And he's calm. Trick number 4 is basically consistency. So whatever you want to do is consistent. So put him back in the same place, whether it's a rock, a tree, a bush, whatever, put him back in that same spot so you have consistency. And never really raise your voice too high because you don't want to spook him. There's anything to be calm and relaxed.